Want to know how to find the missing number in a sequence in Java? Well, if you ever need to find a missing number, this video is for you on a consecutive sequence. So we can use a simple math trick. We just simply take out sum of first n numbers, that is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So right here under id total we have this simple formula right here, and before that we have created the array with an array length plus 1 as well. So you can just simply copy and modify this code. So we compute this total sum for expected sequence, and after that is done, we sum all elements in the array. Subtracting the actual sum from the total sum gives the missing number instantly. No loops for comparisons are needed. This makes it fast and super elegant. So this approach works perfectly for small or medium sized sequences. So right here you can see the result as well. So our missing number is 3. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.